This is Joy, my AI desk companion robot.
I'm Joy, your AI companion robot maker science.
And honestly, this little guy is probably one of the coolest things I've ever built so far. He listens to me, talks back, and when I'm feeling tired, he even plays some music for me. And today I'll show you exactly how I built. To make a robot actually feel alive, the most important thing is voice interaction. Because if the robot can't hear you properly, the whole thing instantly stops feeling real. For Joy, I use a ReSpeaker 4 mic array from Seed Studio. And this thing genuinely made the project much easier. It comes with 4 microphones placed in a circle, which allows 360-degree voice capture. It also comes with pre-soldered ESP32S3, which honestly saved me from buying a separate microcontroller. Now it was time to connect everything together. First, I connected the OLED display using I2C to keep the wiring simple. Then I also connected the speaker for voice output. But without an amplifier, Joy's voice would have been way too quiet, so I added a small amplifier module. After connecting all the components together, the setup became an absolute mess. And this is exactly where the custom PCBs become so useful. Huge thanks to Next PCB for sponsoring this video. Instead of dealing with wires running everywhere, you can design your PCB and you can upload your Gerber file, customize things like PCB color, thickness and quantity, and they handle the complete manufacturing process for you. They also provide PCB assembly services, which means less time for soldering tiny components and more time actually building things. So if you are building your own electronic projects, definitely check them out. I'll leave the link in the description. Once the hardware was finally ready, it was time for programming. For this project, I used the format provided by the Seed Studio on their GitHub page. Thankfully, they already provided the most of the setup instructions. First, I downloaded the DFU util and added it to path. Then I downloaded the I2S format, extracted it and opened CMD inside the folder. After that, while holding the push button, I connected the USB cable. Once the red LED turned on, I flashed the format. Then it was finally time for the Saudi format. For this setup, I connected the USB directly to the ESP32 and followed the installation process. Make sure you already have the ESP IDF installed because it makes the setup much easier and much faster. I'll leave all the setup links in the description if you want to build it yourself. After flashing the firmware, the next step was connecting Joy to the internet. For that, I connected the Saudi hotspot, then opened the setup page, and then entered my Wi-Fi credentials. Just make sure you are using 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi because the ESP32 only supports 2.4 GHz networks. Next, I opened the Saudi website, paired the device using the code shown on the OLED display, and also configured the assistant settings. And finally, after all this setup, Joy finally started responding.
Hi Joy.
For a second, I genuinely thought everything was working perfectly until I noticed something. The sound was still really low, like I could barely hear anything. So I checked the wiring and found out that the problem was amplifier module that was completely burned out. So I replaced it with another one, and this time it finally worked.
Hi Joy. Hi Joy.
Hi there. I'm Joy, your desktop assistant. How can I assist you today?
For the first time, it actually felt alive, not just another electronic projects. Now that everything was finally working, Joy still didn't have a proper body. So I started designing one. I wanted it to look simple, clean, something that actually felt friendly. Since I don't own any 3D printer right now, so I sent all the files to a printing service. Then after waiting for a few days, the prints finally arrived. And without wasting any time, I immediately started putting everything together. Seeing all those random parts slowly turn into an actual robot was probably one of the most satisfying moments of this entire project. And after assembling everything, here is Joy.
Hi Joy.
Hi there. Just a friendly robot checking in. How's your day going?
Now it can talk with me, answer my questions, react with expressions, play some music, and even tell me the weather.
Hi ESP.
Hi there. Just a friendly robot here. So I'll look around if you need help with anything EXP32 project, coding, or just a chat. Huh? What's on your mind?
Play some music.
Found a few tracks with Lee. Want me to play something chill like Yuanfang? Or maybe one of the calming ones like 潮汐冥想? Just say the words.
Play first one.
When are you asking about when something happens? Or maybe you're thinking of a song with when in the title. Let me know what you're after.
Play first one.
在你的心望向远方，心跳般足以寻找。
In my future upgrades, I want to make Joy smarter, more expressive, and maybe even capable of moving around on its own. So if you want to see that where the project goes next, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.